Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Good morning, my dear students. How are you today? I hope you are fine all the time. Please, guys, before we begin, prepare your student book. Don't forget your pen or pencil. Open your student book, page 98. Open your student book, page 98. Now, let's read some examples. If you remember, the last week we studied the tag question, and these are some examples about it. To form a tag question, we need the auxiliary verb, the same auxiliary verb from the sentence. We need to make a balance between the tag question and the sentence. We need to write the pronoun, the same pronoun from the sentence also. Okay, guys? Let's read number one. You are finished with this, aren't you? Here we wrote are because the auxiliary verb is are. We make it negative, not positive, because it's positive in the sentence, and to make a balance between the sentence and the tag question, we need one to be positive and the other to be negative. If the sentence is positive, the tag question will be negative, and if the sentence is negative, the tag question will be positive. Okay, guys? And the same pronoun from the sentence is you. Number two, I don't owe you any money. Do I? Don't. So do is the auxiliary verb. I write it here. One is negative, the other will be positive, and the same pronoun. Okay, guys? Hannah will be right back. Will turn to want to make a balance. Hannah is a girl or a woman, and I refer to Hannah with the pronoun she. Okay, guys? Now you have 2 minutes to read the rest of the examples. Very good, guys. Now, let's move to your student book page 98. It's Unit 9, Lesson 5. Exercise number 1. Here he wants you to choose the correct tag. Here are some sentences from 1 to 5, and there are tag question. Each sentence has 2 answers. One is right and the other is wrong. Okay? You should choose the correct one. You have 1 minute to read these examples. Now, guys, let's read number 1 together. She lost the tickets. Did she or didn't she? Why did or didn't? Because the sentence is in the past, so we will use did or didn't. Now, it's based on the balance of the sentence. The sentence is negative or positive. Yes, good. The sentence is positive. So the tag question will be, yes, good. The tag question will be negative. So she lost the tickets Did she or didn't she? Yes, good. Didn't she? Number two, you aren't angry. You aren't angry. Are you or aren't you? Teacher, the sentence is negative, so the question would be yes, will be positive. You aren't angry. Are you? Number three, she looks excited. She looks excited. She looks the present. Yes, the sentence is in the present, but it based on sorry guys, it based on the balance of the sentence. Yes, good. The sentence is positive, so the question will be negative. Number four, I won't see you tomorrow. I won't see you tomorrow. By the way, won't here is the abbreviation of will not. So the sentence is I will not see you tomorrow. Okay? So the sentence is negative. The question will be good, will be positive. Number five, and the last one, I look good. Yes, positive. The question will be negative. Very good, guys. Excellent up to now. Let's move to exercise number two. Read and complete. Use the tags in the box. This is the box. Here are four tags for four sentences. Okay? One, two, three, and this one is not three. It's mistaken. It's four. Okay, guys, but never mind. We have we have four sentences and four tags. You have 2 minutes to read the sentences and the tags and try to match or choose the correct tag. Okay, guys, let's read number one. You didn't take my book. You didn't take my book. The tag question will be you didn't. It's easy to do it without choosing from the books. You didn't take my book. Didn't will be did. And say I'll use the same pronoun. So it will be did you? That's good. Number two, they weren't invited. They weren't invited. They weren't. To make a balance, weren't will be were, and I'll use the same pronoun. That's good. Were they? Number three, we can do something for the talent show. We can do something for the talent show. We can. We can. Yes, teacher. It's similar to this tag, but because the balance, this is can't, not can. Yes, good. Can't we? The last one is easy to be done. There is enough food. There is. Yes. Isn't there? Isn't there? Very good, guys. Let's move to exercise number three. Complete the tag questions. Here he wants you to complete the tag questions, not choose. Okay, you can do these examples. Number one, there weren't any balloons in the supermarket. There weren't any balloons in the supermarket. How can we do it? Number one, the auxiliary. Yes. Where is the auxiliary in the sentence? Yes, it's weren't. But it will be where because of the balance, or to make the balance between the sentence and the tag question. So I'll write where, where, where there weren't any balloons in the supermarket. Where there? That's good, guys. Number two, you didn't go on vacation. You didn't go on vacation. Teacher, you didn't is easy to do it. You didn't. You didn't will be good. Did you? Number three and the last one. Number three and the last one. You like chocolate. Chocolate. You like chocolate. You like. Teacher, there is no auxiliary in this sentence. How can we form the tag question? Remember, guys, in the first lesson of tag question, I told you you should look or you should know the tense of the sentence. Is it present or past? Yes, good. It's present. So we'll use the auxiliary or the verb do or does. Do, don't, does, doesn't. It's based on the pronoun. According to the pronoun, we will use do or don't. Sorry, do or does. Okay? The pronoun here is you. So I will use do or does. Again. Very good. Do. But because of the balance, I'll make it or I'll write it don't. Why, teacher? Because the sentence is positive, but so the tag question will be positive or negative. No, the sentence is that the sentence is positive. The tag question will be excellent, guys. Will be negative. So I'll write it do or don't. Very good. The pronoun you. The pronoun in the sentence is you. I'll use the same pronoun in the tag question. So it will be don't we. Very good, Mr. Ali. Let's move to number 4. Complete the tag question. In exercise number 3, he gave you a sentence and asks you to write the tag question. Here he did the opposite. He gave you the tag question and he wants you to write the sentence. I'll give you 1 minute to think of some sentences that are related to these tag questions. Now, guys, let's do it together. Number 1, there is no sentence, but there is only tag question. Are you? Teacher, the pronoun here is you, so I'll start a sentence or I'll write a sentence that starts with the pronoun you. Here is are to make a balance between the tag question and the sentence will be aren't. So I'll start my sentence with you aren't and complete it with anything that fits it. For me, I wrote this sentence. You aren't studying now? You aren't studying now, are you? You can write any sentence start with the pronoun you and the auxiliary aren't. Okay. Number 2, there is no sentence also, and the tag question is hasn't she? Hasn't she? She's the pronoun, so I'll start my sentence with the same pronoun. Hasn't will be has. So I wrote the sentence. She has been to London. You can start your sentence with the pronoun she or a name, a female name that I can refer to it using the same pronoun she. The auxiliary in the sentence is has, and you can complete your sentence with anything that fits the sentence. She has been to London, hasn't she? Hasn't she? Number three and the last one. Number three and last one. Here's no sentence. Okay, and the tag question is can they? I need a sentence that fits the tag question. Can they? Okay, I'll start my sentence with the same pronoun. Where is the pronoun can or they? Yes, good. They can. And the tag question is can. What will it be in the sentence? To make the balance, can will be can't. So I'll start my sentence with they can't and complete your sentence with anything that fits the sentence. Yes, good. They can't play football. Can they? They can't swim. Can they? Up to now, you are very good guys. Your homework is exercise number 5 in the same page, page 98. Look at the underlined words. Write N if the word is noun, and write V if the word is verb, sorry, and write A if the word is adjective. Look at the underlined words. These are the underlined words for words in the two sentences. If the word is noun, I'll write N above it here. If the word is verb, I'll write V. If the word is adjective, I'll write A. Okay, guys? Up to now, we reached the end of our lesson for today. I hope you understood everything. Please, guys, do not forget to do your electronic homework on the school website. See you tomorrow, inshallah. Bye-bye.